Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about 10 creative ways to make money online in 2025. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over freelancing in emerging markets and virtual reality experience. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that's on everyone's mind, 10 creative ways to make money online in 2025. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, new opportunities are emerging that can help you boost your income from the comfort of your home. We'll explore innovative strategies that go beyond the usual freelancing and e-commerce, tapping into trends that are set to shape the future of online earning. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or start a full-time venture, this video is packed with engaging and informative insights that will inspire you to think outside the box. So, stick around as we uncover these unique money-making ideas that could change your financial future. Freelancing in emerging markets. The freelancing landscape is rapidly evolving, especially with the rise of niche freelancing platforms tailored to specific industries and skill sets. These platforms are creating new opportunities for freelancers to connect with clients who are looking for specialized expertise. As competition increases, building a personal brand has never been more important. A strong personal brand not only helps you stand out, but also establishes trust with potential clients. By showcasing your unique skills and experiences, you can attract high-paying projects that align with your passions. We encourage you to leverage your skills in high-demand areas, such as digital marketing, graphic design, or software development. Embrace these emerging trends and you'll be well on your way to thriving in the freelance economy of the future. Virtual reality experiences. As virtual reality, VR technology continues to advance, the potential for monetizing VR content and experiences is becoming increasingly exciting. VR content creation involves designing immersive environments that transport users to new worlds, whether for gaming, education, or training purposes. There are numerous markets ripe for exploration, including real estate virtual tours, educational simulations, and interactive gaming experiences. Each of these sectors offers unique opportunities to engage audiences in innovative ways. We encourage you to unleash your creativity in developing these immersive environments, as the demand for captivating VR experiences is on the rise. By tapping into your imagination and technical skills, you can create compelling content that not only entertains but also provides value to users, paving the way for a profitable venture in the VR space. Online courses and e-learning. The online education market is booming, driven by a growing demand for specialized knowledge across various fields. As more people seek to enhance their skills or pivot their careers, there's a significant opportunity for you to tap into this trend by creating and selling your own courses. Whether you're an expert in digital marketing, graphic design, or personal development, sharing your expertise can be both fulfilling and profitable. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to host your courses, providing you with the tools to reach a global audience. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and marketing support, allowing you to focus on creating high-quality content. So, if you have valuable knowledge to share, now is the perfect time to dive into the world of online education. Affiliate marketing evolution. Affiliate marketing is evolving rapidly, and understanding the latest trends is crucial for success in this competitive space. One of the most important aspects is niche selection. Choosing a specific area of focus allows you to target a dedicated audience and stand out from the crowd. Once you've identified your niche, effective strategies for driving traffic become essential. This can include leveraging social media, creating valuable content, and utilizing SEO techniques to attract potential customers. However, the key to higher conversions lies in building trust with your audience. By providing honest reviews, sharing personal experiences, and engaging authentically, you can foster a loyal following that values your recommendations. Embrace these trends, and you'll be well on your way to thriving in the dynamic world of affiliate marketing. Print on demand and custom merchandise. Creating and selling custom products online has never been easier thanks to platforms like Printful and Redbubble. These print-on-demand services allow you to design and sell a wide range of merchandise, from t-shirts to home decor, without the need for inventory. The key to standing out in this competitive market is to focus on unique designs that resonate with your target audience. Whether you're an artist, graphic designer, or simply have a creative flair, your original artwork can attract customers looking for something special. Once your products are ready, don't underestimate the power of marketing through social media channels. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are perfect for showcasing your designs and driving traffic to your store. Embrace these strategies, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful custom merchandise business. Cryptocurrency and blockchain ventures. The cryptocurrency space is brimming with opportunities for earning money, especially with concepts like staking and yield farming gaining popularity. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency to support network operations, earning rewards in return, while yield farming allows you to lend your assets to earn interest. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of thorough research and risk management before diving in. The crypto market can be volatile, and understanding the projects you invest in is essential for minimizing risks. Additionally, staying updated on market trends and news will help you make informed decisions and seize opportunities as they arise. By combining knowledge with strategic actions, you can navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency and potentially unlock significant earning potential in this innovative space. Content creation and monetization. In today's digital landscape, there are numerous avenues for content creation, each offering unique monetization strategies. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Twitch have revolutionized how creators connect with audiences and earn income. On YouTube, creators can monetize through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales, while TikTok offers opportunities through brand partnerships and the TikTok Creator Fund. Twitch allows streamers to earn through subscriptions, donations, and sponsorships. Regardless of the platform, audience engagement is crucial. Building a loyal community can significantly enhance your earning potential. Additionally, consistency and quality in content production are the key factors for success. Regularly posting high-quality content not only keeps your audience engaged, but also attracts new viewers. By focusing on these elements, you can effectively monetize your creative efforts and thrive in the content creation space. Remote consulting services. Offering consulting services remotely has become increasingly accessible across various fields, from business and marketing to health and wellness. The key to success in this arena is having expertise in a specific area. Clients seek knowledgeable professionals who can provide valuable insights and solutions. To connect with potential clients, consider utilizing platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, or specialized consulting websites that cater to your niche. These platforms can help you showcase your skills and attract clients looking for your expertise. Additionally, building a professional online presence is essential. A well-designed website, Engaging social media profiles and informative content can establish your credibility and make you more appealing to prospective clients. By focusing on these strategies, you can effectively offer remote consulting services and grow your client base in today's digital world. Conclusion. In this video, we explored 10 creative ways to make money online in 2025, from freelancing in emerging markets to leveraging virtual reality experiences and online courses. Each of these opportunities highlights the importance of adaptability and innovation in today's fast-paced digital landscape. As the online economy continues to evolve, staying ahead of trends and embracing new strategies will be crucial for success. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring as you consider your own online ventures. If you enjoyed this content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might benefit from these ideas. Your engagement helps us create more informative content, and we appreciate your support on this journey to financial empowerment. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care